Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Today's a collaboration with Jessica Myrose and Small Town 6. It's a grocery haul. But before I begin my grocery haul, we're going to talk about winter preparation. If you're in Ohio, middle of nowhere Ohio, and you get lots of snow, or Michigan or some of the other states that you get a large snowfall, it's time to start thinking about winter prep or the prepper's pantry. And today I'm going to give you a list of things I make sure that's in my pantry before that snow starts to fall. So this is the time of year I start going through my pantry, making sure I have everything for winter, and if not, adding it to that grocery list. And here's my list. This is a list that I want to have on hand to start winter. I always start with a case of mushroom soup, a case of cream of chicken soup, a case of tomato soup, a case of Chef Boyardee ravioli or spaghetti, depending on which I decide to buy. I always have a case of creamed corn, a case of regular corn, because I grow corn in the garden, but not enough to last the entire winter. Kidney beans, black beans, and mixed vegetables. I buy a case of each one. I also make sure I have plenty noodles to last me in case I need them in the wintertime. I also like to have pasta, different varieties of pasta on hand, rice, and quinoa. These are staples in a lot of recipes I make, and it's nice to make sure I have all that on hand. I also make sure I have a case of chicken stock and beef stock or bouillon, either one, on hand, enough that I know that it would last me at least a month. I also, about October, I start stocking my baking ingredients for Christmas and for the holidays. September, October, I start stocking the baking ingredients when it gets cooler. I make sure I go to Costco's and grab a big thing of flour and sugar and brown sugar. So I have that on hand for my baking season. And that's my prepper pantry list. If there's something that you prep that I forgot for my list, let me know. Something that you prep that I might not have on my list. In the video, you'll see my husband went and he stocked up on some of our prep for the winter. And he didn't get it all. We get a little bit at a time. But this video is from Myers, and it's some winter prep items. And I hope this helps you get thinking about getting ready for prepping for winter, because snow's right around the corner, especially if you live in middle of nowhere, Ohio.
Hey, this is our grocery haul. We got 2 of these Myers chocolate syrup. The Hershey syrup's real expensive. They're decent. These were 2 for $8. I think these were 2 for $3 or $4. And this is 13-ounce bag of chips. These are $1. This came from Myers. I got an assortment of these instant potatoes, which we use a lot. Melissa uses some at Thicken Soup. And I got a bunch of cream of chicken. I think it was 69 cents. Use this in the winter. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 18 of them. And I got 10 cream of chicken. They got these easy pull tops. And we got some kidney beans for winter. We got 8 of them now. I forget, 79 cents. I think these are 59, these soups, Myers. These carrots were $1 for a pound. I don't know how much this dip was, but we dip our apples in it. It's pretty good caramel dip. I forget how much the vanilla ice cream was. These pizzas are for $1. I got, Melissa likes them. Pepperoni and sausage. I got a cheese one in there somewhere. Pepperoni and sausage. Sauce. You buy 7 or more, they're $1. Oh, there's a 4 cheese one. Okay, then these Lunchables are on the 7 for 7 deal. And this is like $2 and something. I think it's maybe $2.04 or $2.05. This red beer and pepperoni pizza marked down
$2.09.
$2.09, Melissa said. Okay, this is our grocery haul. We didn't get milk because we have a bunch of milk. I'll just show it again.
A lot of this is for the prepper pantry.
This is for the prepper pantry. Well, really for winter time, because use a lot of these soups and kidney beans. This stuff we've been making roast and other stuff, so we bought the carrots. And of course we like dipping our apples. It tastes a little better. No ice cream there. She loves these pizzas. I never got to try one. Lunchables we both eat.
It's $1
Chocolate
meal
syrup.
for me for lunch.
Yeah,
So
she
that's
said it's $1 meal for her for lunch, so that's a good idea. And carrots, I probably should eat more. This is, sometimes I eat this for lunch or supper. And that's all I need. So, there you have it, folks. Okay, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thank you.